Ever wondered what all the amendments in the U.S. Constitution actually mean? Today, we're breaking down every single amendment, from free speech to voting rights to prohibition. Let's dive into the foundation of American law and see how each amendment has shaped the country. The United States Constitution originally had no amendments, but over time, 27 amendments were added to adapt the framework to evolving needs, liberties, and values. Each amendment has played a crucial role in shaping modern America, so let's go through them one by one. The Bill of Rights, First Amendment to 10th Amendment. First Amendment guarantees freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. It's one of the most cited amendments, protecting fundamental rights to express ideas and beliefs. Second Amendment, the right to bear arms. This amendment provides citizens the right to own firearms, sparking ongoing debates about gun control and individual safety. Third Amendment prohibits the quartering of soldiers in private homes without consent. This was a response to British practices before the Revolutionary War. Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, requiring warrants based on probable cause. This amendment forms the foundation of privacy rights. Fifth Amendment provides several legal protections, including the right to due process, protection against self-incrimination, and double jeopardy. It also introduces eminent domain. Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to a fair and speedy trial, an impartial jury, and legal representation in criminal cases. Seventh Amendment ensures the right to a jury trial in federal civil cases involving claims of more than $20. Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail, fines, and cruel or unusual punishments. It's frequently cited in discussions about capital punishment and prison conditions. Ninth Amendment states that the people have rights beyond those specifically listed in the Constitution, reinforcing that the rights in the Bill of Rights aren't exhaustive. 10th Amendment reserves powers not delegated to the federal government to the states or the people, emphasizing federalism. Expanding rights and government powers, 11th Amendment to 27th Amendment. 11th Amendment limits lawsuits against states, clarifying that individuals cannot sue states in federal court under certain conditions. 12th Amendment revises the presidential election process, requiring separate votes for president and vice president to prevent election ties. 13th Amendment abolishes slavery and involuntary servitude, except as punishment for a crime. This amendment was a key outcome of the Civil War. 14th Amendment grants citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the U.S. and provides equal protection under the law. It's a cornerstone of civil rights. 15th Amendment prohibits voting discrimination based on race, color, or previous condition of servitude, securing voting rights for black men after the Civil War. 16th Amendment allows Congress to levy an income tax, providing a significant source of federal revenue. 17th Amendment establishes the direct election of U.S. senators by popular vote, shifting power from state legislatures to the people. 18th Amendment prohibits the manufacture, sale, and transportation of alcohol. This began the Prohibition era, which was later repealed. 19th Amendment grants women the right to vote, marking a major milestone in the women's suffrage movement. 20th Amendment changes the dates for the start of presidential, vice presidential, and congressional terms to reduce lame duck periods in government. 21st Amendment repeals the 18th Amendment, ending prohibition and making alcohol legal once more. 22nd Amendment limits the president to 2 terms in office, inspired by Franklin D. Roosevelt's 4-term presidency. 23rd Amendment grants residents of Washington, D.C. the right to vote in presidential elections, giving representation to the Capitol. 24th Amendment abolishes poll taxes in federal elections, removing financial barriers to voting. 25th Amendment establishes the presidential line of succession and procedures for presidential disability, ensuring continuity in leadership. 26th Amendment lowers the voting age from 21 to 18, largely in response to debates during the Vietnam War. 27th Amendment delays congressional pay raises until after the next election, ensuring that members of Congress can't vote for immediate salary increases.